Hey, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do things a little bit differently this time. I want to talk about some of the struggles, some of the difficulties when commuting to work every day. My commute is only 5 miles, point A to point B, not very long. But somehow, on a lot of days, that happens to be about an hour, right? And I don't know what it is that it makes it so bad. Maybe because it's a really densely populated city that everyone's out at the same time trying to get to work, and so they're not necessarily the most nice, I suppose would be a good word for it. But yeah, that's just one of the struggles, right? And when it rains, it's especially bad. It's like people forget how to drive, and then just case in point, he didn't have to cut me off. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Okay, let's just go on a drive, zen out for a little bit, pick this up later.
Sorry about that earlier. As I was trying to say, driving in the city really is pretty difficult sometimes. My commute is only 5 miles from start to finish, and that could take up an hour sometimes. Okay, let's restart. So driving in the city sometimes can be really difficult. My commute from point A, point B is only 5 miles, but that sometimes could take up to an hour, believe it or not. Yeah, a whole hour. I don't even know what takes that long. Do people just decide to slow down and look at the trees when they're driving? It gets worse when it's raining also, because people just forget how to drive, and it is just so annoying. Just a lot of times you're trying to get from point A to point B, and it's just
hey man, I'm trying to find the gas station, but for the life of me I can't find it. You know where it is? Oh, cool, thanks.
Okay, fourth time's the charm. So, as I was saying, driving in the city can be quite annoying. There are many things that come up that just...
Hey! What's up, bro? You still here?
Yeah, I'm still here. Weren't you getting gas?
I was. Turns out the gas station was just outside of the shop.
Cool.
What you got going on here? I'm Brian, by the way.
I was making a video.
Oh, cool. What about?
About things that annoy me.
Oh, yeah, gotcha. Can I get in on this?
What? No.
You can drive my car.
No.
He's Simon.
He's Brian.
Let's do this shift.
more interruptions. As I was saying, you know what really grinds my